Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yebethuna molweni xela singathethi nge-eyebrows zami le yi-birthmark uba kwenzeka ntoni apha nama ndiyazi so asiphume napho ndifuna uthetha nge-helpers. And before you think, oh Pales, nope, I'm not that kind of a person. I do want to tell my experience with i-helper enganginayo. Usisi bekuwo waseLesotho ngangimthola ukuthi azogada uHluke. I started working when he was 11 months old. Ngamthola usisi because bengazi uma wakhe engangimjwayele from mangihambisa usisi kaHluke esikoleni ngahlangana naloyo mama washo ukuthi uyihelpa kuphi abamphathanga kahle ndondondondon. So ngathatha inamba yakhe bengasebenzi at the time kodwa ke mangathola umsebenzi ngizokufonela. Bese nguthola umsebenzi ngimfonela wathi iboss yakhe yanqaba ngaye sekathola iboss entsha emphethe kahle kodwa uzongilethela ingane yakhe. Big mistake. Girl was 2 years younger than me. Even on the first day sivumelene ukuthi uveke ngesikhathi esithile wafika late, and I'm a very time conscious person, so that initially did not sit well with me. But ke miyeka waqala wasebenza. uHluke was into solids at the time, but he was still breastfeeding ebusuku because he refused to drink anything other than like bekaphuza yonke into out of a bottle, bekaphuza ijuice, bekaphuza amanzi, bekaphuza itiye, but ibisi bekangalifuni. So bekangilinda ngibuye emsebenzini bese afika afide ebusuku. Mengithi sengiyanotice bengivuka ekseni guys ngipheke ama-veggie ngenza ama-puree na. Ngithi mengibuye emsebenzini ugele athi hayi uHluke sengimtshintshile namanephi ngithathe nje uyolala because bekalala nami phela. Ngingacabangi lutho. But umntwana uconstipated makumele aye endlini encane uyakhala lokhu kubuhlungu. Mengithi uyabona ukuthi umntwana udliswa umdoko lo obrown of which bekawupheka vele ngoba bekazwa uzawudla as breakfast yabo, but then adle nalezi zinto bengangiyiprepare. Little did I know ukuthi sisters either uyazilahla or uyazidla self, kodwa udlisa umntwana ilona umdoko obrown uphela, ingane iconstipated ukufa. Mengithi ngiyabheka lapha kwamathanga ingane iyancinzwa. There's old bruises and there's new bruises. Ngibonise ubabakhe ngithi baba ngicela ungibhekisa lana ikhona into engayi-understand. Ubaba turned grey. That's how pissed off he was. Didn't say anything to me. Wavele wangibheka ngibona nje ukuthi unyanya ukugcina wadonsa ingubo walala. Hayi ngithatha umntwana the next day ngimhambise ku-doctor for constipation. Ngithi doctor angi-understand why umntwana uzoba constipated. Ngiyambreastfeeda ebusuku. Emini umuntu engimshiya naye ngiyamtshela ukuthi amphuzise amanzi, amphuzise ijuice, amphuzise itiye i-rooibos, and then ke I make veggies like ngiyamenzela ama-purees wama-veggie. Futhi at that age 11 months bengizothi mhlambe i-puree nyana idle nge-lunch, but emini mhlambe like ipapa ne-gravy and a little bit of iphisi yenyama yabo. So angi-understand why umntwana constipated kanje. That doctor looked me in the eye asked, if you don't want to bury your child, whoever is looking after your child needs to go. Izofa lengane. Hayi ngifonela umama ngicela ufike uzongisiza ngomntwana because usisi uyindlela neqiniso. Hayi ubaba athi uzokhuluma nalusisi personally. Afika athi kuyayi ingane ayikho right, sicela ugogo wengane ukuthi aze azoyigada. So okwamanje ungahamba sizokubiza ingane mase right. She should not look my husband in the eye and say, "Ana ke utlwe hore wa reng haeba wa nteleka ke batla mme e leng yena o namphile mosebetsi e leng mongaka atle a tlo njwetsa hore ha re sihlahlole le mipatla." Angisumuntu umuntu violent. Kodwa makufika abantwaneni bami, there's a side to me that you don't want to see. And inkinga ukuthi I get to a certain level of anger la ngenza izinto bese ngizikhumbule. Ubaba uthi ngalanda iharafu ngathi is either ngiyakuqoba ngale hara gore ngifonela amaphoyisa, either way akuzukuba khona la kwami. Ngeli ngithatha into zakhe ecula ha modimo a le teng ha yo mathata uncenza ingane akayiniki ukudla. Futhi ke it went on a couple of bese ka pregnant umama sekangitshela the way nje yena afunke endodeni yakhe ungcono ahambe nohluke endodeni. Ngithi mina akuyena yedwa umuntu omgadile, you supposed to clean the house and there is usister kaHluke odinga ukugadwa naye. Ngimbona nje ukuthi ugela akekho kulezo, ufuna ukuyo relaxa nobhuti baby wakhe. So yeah, that is my experience nama-helper waseLesotho. Once again, I'm not saying bonke bayafana, kodwa ke experience yami with the helper waseLesotho was not good at all.
Yeah, so when it comes to helpers, it's very complicated, very, very complicated. And now I'm just sitting here asking myself, what are Lesotho helpers that bad, like really, really bad to such an extent? Because every bad story of a helper that you hear, mostly it will be someone from Lesotho. And I feel like those that are bad are actually blacklisting everyone that is from that side that is looking for a job, because I don't believe that all of them are that bad. I really don't believe so. And for this one to actually do that to a small child, like, yo, I'm just listening to this, I'm very traumatized to know that there is someone out there who will go to such an extent to make sure that this small baby suffers like that. I really don't care what the mother did what or whatever that made her to do something like that. But that's not a kind person, because I don't believe what a kind person can do something like that, especially to a small child that cannot stand for themselves, that cannot defend themselves. You are actually given something to do, and when now you decide, oh, nope, I'm not going to do this, I'm going to do my own stuff. This really says a lot about such people. And I feel like this topic, it actually gives a fear to mothers out there. You have to be very sensitive when it comes to the person you decide to leave your child with. Be very, very sensitive, be very selective, because not everyone is good for that child. And when it comes to a child, you need someone that is kind, someone that is understanding, because sometimes a child might be acting up, because remember, this is just a baby and they need someone who understands, or yes, they are just a baby. A baby can do that sometimes. A baby can act up like that sometimes. Not someone who would actually want to revenge, to say, you know what, ne, I'm going to revenge. I'm going to leave you, cry yourself to sleep, or just because your mother did this to me, then I'm going to revenge towards you. I'm going to do this to you. To a point whereby the mother actually had to take the baby to the doctor to check what was going on. And the doctor was actually shocked to find out what this is happening to the baby, which means it was not something normal. That's why even the doctor was very surprised.